So I want to take a trade here. This is going to be a scalping model, and I want to go bearish on this particular area. This is USD JPY, and I've had price moving in the bearish direction all through. Then I want to take a sell from here because I had a break of structure, price retracing here. But then I'm scared of a fair value gap right up here. All right, I'm scared of a fair value gap right up here, but then because of the analysis I am doing, I have checked the yen basket, and the yen basket has shown me interest in going bullish. And that is to say that I can actually trade, not that one. I want to check the yen basket. I want to see yen basket. So it's going to be this one, JPY basket. All right. So the yen basket has been also bullish. Let me show you from the higher time frame. That's the most important thing. The higher time frame has been showing the signs of bullishness into the buy side liquidity here, and that is what my target is for the yen basket. And now I want to go. We have this is liquidity. Started from here, even from the 4-hour time frame, I've traded into a bullish order block that has a fair value gap with a high here. That's high. So this area is very, very powerful for me. So I want to take trade into the drawn liquidity here. So that's why I'm going short on USD JPY. Where is it? JPY. This is it. I'm going short on USD JPY. You can see I have some other things I will have wished to explain, but then all I have is this 15-minute time frame. You can see that price is also trading into this fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. The 5-minute time frame has traded back into this area, which I want to show you here. Look at the area. We have this one here, a fair value gap here, a bearish order block here. All right. Let me show you. This is a bearish order block actually. A bearish order block here, which is this guy. And the last order confirmation I have was an inversion fair value gap, which is this fair value gap that was once used. So this area becomes a powerful area. So I am actually taking the trade here, done from here. But then because I'm using my MT5, it's on my mobile phone. I'm just going to take this down into this area. This is that is to be RR. Let's see, 1:3. Yeah, 1:3. That's the RR. So I'm taking it from there. It's right here on my, this is my funded account from Funded Next. Let's see what we have. Okay, so I am taking it. I am active. I wish I can show you. Is there any way I can see it? It's on my mobile phone, but then I'll just record it for you on my mobile phone so you can see it. So that's to tell you that that is what I'm using. I'm using 5 standard lots here on my phone, and then I'm going to see how it plays out. Thank you. So I just closed. I just checked my trade, and I was able to hit the take profit just like I told you. I wanted to record this particular trade live in your eyes. Initially, guys, I wanted to actually wait for price on UJ. Let me show you initially what I was expecting. If you look at my chart carefully, you're going to see that there is this fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame. In fact, at some point, I was even telling my community guys that this is what I was waiting for. But then I looked at this and there was this low here. That was the reason why I was not expecting price to come. If this was my low, I would have created a shifting structure and this would be a reversal. You see? So on the other hand, I have to be careful and look out for that. Now, that is the importance of knowledge. You cannot trade in this industry without knowledge. You want to learn, reach out to me on WhatsApp or make sure you get my book in the description of this video. All right? That is where to start from. Instead of you to keep losing money in this market, what you should do is to seek for knowledge. You see, it's easy to feel like you're giving out your money for somebody to teach you, but then nobody gives you time for free. You want to get the knowledge, make sure you secure it from somebody that has a result in the industry. Now, this was the trade. Actually, I closed the trade. You see, the other time I said, what was my account? Was around 1,000 and something, right? Before hitting take profit. So I have this one currently floating on this one. This was another trade I took on NASDAQ with a stop loss of about $500. All right. I'm going to show you the trade. So this is it. You can see that it's on negative, but then this one is the profit I made from the trade I took on UJ, that is USDJPY here. And I showed you how the trade went. So price actually played out perfectly. Why? Because I was careful to do my analysis correctly and to also do risk management correctly. If you see the trade initially, you know that I didn't just take the trade. I showed you why I was taking the trade, and the trade played out as expected. So initially, honestly, I took the profit somewhere around below this guy, because I saw how massive the energy was coming, and I was like, oh, if I could even leave it to here, but then I don't want to be too greedy. I wanted to be careful with what was happening. So this is it, guys. If you want to learn more of these analyses, you want to learn how to take the trade, you can do it by yourself. You don't need to depend on signals or other things. Make sure you learn these things by yourself. You either come to my YouTube channel, go to ICT. If you don't have the time to go through these things, join my mentorship. At least you will learn how to look at the market correctly, even if you don't know how to do it, and you're going to have support that will be there for you for up to 12 months. If you are struggling, please reach out to me with my WhatsApp contact in the description of this video. Your problem can be solved with knowledge. All right. So, and if you cannot afford my mentorship, go for my book. It also captures so much. You see the book here, Smart Money Accelerator Guide. Is most of the things I do is very simple. I try to keep my strategy simple. This book costs $9.9. To get it is easy. Just go to the description of this video. You're going to see the link. You will even see where I put get the book. Get the book for $9.9, or you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. If you can't access the website, you can reach out to me. My WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. Reach out to me and I'm going to put you through how to get the materials. All right, guys. Thank you. I'm going to stop here.